Hey everybody, it's Chanel Janaea and I'm back with another video. Okay, I know it's a long time coming, but I'm back. That's all that matters. But in today's video, I will be showing y'all how I achieve this look. So keep watching.
But with your outfit and the way you do your hair, I swear to God I'm out the game, you won't know. Been told them other bitches that they gotta go. How you get up in them jeans, let me be the Billy Jeans. Pussy like promethazine, I want more, think I'm a fiend. Girl, you so special, thought I'd meet you in my dreams. I adore your presence, love your circle, you a queen. Baby, turn around, you be the toughest on the phone, I got you running now. Just got off work, you stressing, rub your back and turn you down. In love with you, you lift me up, you know I.
Okay, so this is the wig before I did anything to it. As y'all can see, it was pre-plucked, but after I bleached the knots I went back and plucked it because I wasn't satisfied enough. So yeah, I wasn't able to get the bleaching and plucking on camera, but if y'all want me to do a separate video on that, just let me know. So right now I'm just basically taking out the baby hairs and straightening them out so I can know like where I'm placing my baby hairs at.
Run them bands up. 6 chill, for real.
Oh yeah. If you're looking at this video and you ain't subscribed to my channel, like what are you doing? Pause this video right now and go and subscribe to my channel. I let this wig air dry, so I'm just blowing out the back because it was still kind of wet. So I will be using another item from my collection, which is my bedazzled flat irons. This is what I'm going to flat iron this whole wig with. So let's watch these mugs work. So I don't know if it's just me or I just love doing like styling the frontal first, or just flat ironing the frontal first, or I like doing the front, everything with the frontal first. Like I be wanting to see how the frontal look right then and there. After I pluck it, I be so thirsty. So I'm actually just smoothing out. Y'all, let's see what I'm doing.
You nigga, black boy, we shoot niggas. This no deuce, nigga. Don't want no truth with ya. If it's up, then it's stuck there. I don't give a fuck, cause you the reason why it's up there. Standing on my morals, that's the reason why it's stuck there.
Ayo, Quantic, run them bands up. 6 chill, fool, for real. Ayo, Quantic, run them bands up. 6 chill, fool, for real.
Humble ass nigga getting richer. Yeah, yeah. Humble ass nigga getting richer. Yeah, yeah. Humble ass nigga getting richer. Don't take pictures. Fuck a SS, what's with her? G for the streets, won't miss ya. G for the kid, come get ya. From 10 years, come get ya. So my niggas stay there.
Ayo, Quantic, run them bands up.
Yeah.
Now, wait a minute, y'all. Let's get into this scalp. Like every part, straight scalp. Don't play with her. She's not one of those. Look at that. Let's talk about this wig though. So this is a wig from my collection. It's a 13x4 body wave transparent lace. I stopped using brown lace because that is like so tacky and ugly. Like we need stuff to blend, okay? So I currently don't sell any brown lace or regular lace. I only sell transparent and HD lace. Ladies, get with it.
When I'm sliding, you can't see through, but I see you, nigga. Black boy, we shoot niggas. This no deuce, nigga. Don't want no truth with ya. If it's up, then it's stuck there. I don't give a fuck, cause you the reason why it's up there. Standing on my morals, that's the reason why it's stuck there.
6 chill, fool, for real, for real.
Humble ass nigga getting richer. Yeah, yeah. Humble ass nigga getting richer. Yeah, yeah. Humble ass nigga getting richer. Don't take pictures. Fuck a SS, what's with her? G for the streets, won't miss ya. G for the kid, gon' get ya. 10 shells gon' get ya. Told my niggas stay
Hey, yo, Quantic, run them bands up.
6 chill, fool, for real, for real.
Humble little nigga getting richer. Don't take pictures. Fuck a SS, what's quicker? G for the streets, don't miss ya. G43 gon' get ya. Remember 10 shells gon' get ya. Told my niggas stay dangerous, cause they live that lifestyle. Want $100,000 in the bank, bitch. And I need that right now. Like right now, right now, right now. Need $100,000 in the bank, bitch. Right now. Right now, right now, right now. Right now, right now, right now. Smooth killer, trust none cause who's realer? When I'm sliding you can't see through, but I see you, nigga. Block boy, we shoot niggas. This no deuce, nigga. Don't want no truths with ya. If it's up, then it's stuck there. I don't give a fuck cause you the reason why it's up there. Standing on my morals, that's the reason why it's stuck there.
Hey, yo, Quantic, run them bands up.
6 chill, fool, for real, for real.
Oh, that shit water.
Few minutes later.
So this is the finished look. Isn't she a hottie? Like, look at her. I'm gonna call her Sasha Fierce because who? But y'all, this the end of the video. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment what you think, and if you haven't did it already, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put my personal Insta and my business Insta. I need y'all to go follow me, period. And see you in the next video.
It's just boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new Ricch set it.